SSMO stands for Sewer Systems Maintenance and Operations, and our department is in charge of dealing with, inspecting, maintaining, fixed regulating assets, pump stations, CSO outfalls, and netting facilities within our service area. Right now today we have two of our groups working together. We have members of our field crew with our crane and crew truck here. Last night we had an alarm that we had a low hydraulic issue, and we have crew members preparing to go down and do an assessment of what's going on there, look for any leaks, damage, to do some preventative maintenance, but also do some corrective maintenance on what our issue is going on right now. So right now our sump worker is about 50 feet underground right now in a man basket, and he's conducting his inspection of the gate structures that are located under here and all the connecting hydraulic lines that go up to a control vault.
So via cellular connection to our treatment plants, we can tell what levels these gates are at through a control structure here, which is known, we call it a dry vault, which has all of our hydraulic controls, electronic controls, and all that stuff communicate back to the plants so we know what's going on here without even being here. But in order for that to work, we have to come out here and do our preventive maintenance measures, which involve taking this crane and lowering our people down there to check things.
How you doing? I'm Nate, Sewer Systems Maintenance Operations. I'm an FTO, Field Tech Operator. This is our video truck.
Over here we got the Rover X. It's one of our main keys to inspecting sewers, finding out what's in a blockage so we can come back with our jet truck and clear the block.
It's just a pretty handy tool to use without having to actually send somebody in some of the pipes, because of course we can't make our bodies no smaller. So
a big one is the wipes. Everyone says that they're flushable, but I'm not too sure about that yet. You'll see them in multiple blocks. You know, you find a lot of different random things in sewers that you wouldn't think were supposed to be there.
And that's what that's actually what that truck right behind you does.
My name is Alfred Harrison, Field Tech Operator. You could say this gap back here, our sewer truck, is the Cadillac of sewer trucks. We need to have the power in order to get the job done. And this truck here has plenty. This is a 100-gallon per minute machine, which puts out 2,000 PSI, which is plenty to get the job done. So when we need power, we have it.
A little over 51 years ago, the Cuyahoga River caught fire for the last time. Day in and day out, the men and women that make up the Sewer System Maintenance and Operation Department, they work tirelessly to ensure that history doesn't repeat itself and we can keep this natural resource, our Great Lake, great.